In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll move step by step, starting in a web browser, getting to Notion through Google, logging in safely, and then formatting a clean, centered-looking page title. I'll add context and practical tips along the way so you always know why you're doing each action and what to look out for. Begin by opening your preferred browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. Look for the official Notion site in the results. It typically appears at the top and uses a trusted domain. This quick search ensures you land on the real homepage without needing to remember or type a specific URL. When you see the official result, click through to Open Notion. Once the Notion homepage loads, locate the Login option. It's usually in the upper right corner of the page. Click Login to continue. After that, you'll arrive at the sign-in screen. Choose the sign-in method you normally use and proceed as you usually would. If you're already authenticated on this device, Notion may take you straight into your workspace. Either way, the next screen should be your workspace or a landing page where you can access your content. Now, on your Notion page, focus on the title area at the very top. Click into that title field to place your cursor there, then type the title you want. Keep it concise and meaningful so it's easy to scan and looks good at a glance. If the title appears left-aligned and you prefer a centered look, you can nudge it visually by adding spaces. With your cursor at the very start of the title, press the spacebar a few times, then pause to see how it looks. Add or remove a space or two until the title appears balanced at the top of the page. This gives you a quick, centered aesthetic without changing other page settings. A couple of tips as you fine-tune the look. Check the title on a normal window size. If your browser is very narrow or very wide, the spacing can shift. If the title wraps to a second line, try shortening the text or reducing spaces to keep it on one line for a cleaner finish. And if something looks off, simply backspace to remove extra spaces and try again. That's it. You used Google to reach Notion, clicked Login to access your workspace, and gave your page a polished, centered-looking title. Nice work.